amid fears of a massive Iranian retaliatory attack against Israel for the killing of a Hamas leader and a top Hezbollah commander. The Israeli Security Cabinet held a meeting at an underground bunker known as the Pit on Thursday night. Despite rumors that the meeting took place at the underground command room over fears of an Iranian strike, Israel says the event was a drill for a potential emergency situation. Located under the Security Ministry's headquarters, the last time such a meeting took place at the Pit was in April, when Iran responded to an Israeli attack on its embassy in Syria by firing hundreds of drones and missiles toward Israeli targets.
After a month-long student demonstration rapidly turned into a mass movement, the state of Bangladesh toppled the 15-year-long autocrat Sheikh Hasina on August 5th. The day will be marked as the day of rebirth and independence for Bangladesh, as the country's choice of interim leader was sworn in. One of the country's most revered veterans, Nobel Peace Laureate Muhammad Yunus, has been made chief advisor to the interim government and will help rebuild his ravaged country.
Spanish police set up roadblocks outside Barcelona in an effort to catch Catalonia's most wanted man. Earlier Thursday, Carles Puigdemont appeared at a rally in Barcelona for the first time in 7 years of self-imposed exile. There, the Catalan separatist delivered a short speech, cheered on by thousands of supporters calling for independence. Moments later, Carles Puigdemont walked off stage and promptly disappeared, allegedly with the help of a local police officer.
Tonight, just 24 hours after Taylor Swift's sold-out concerts in Vienna were canceled. Officials releasing this chilling photo of the 19-year-old Austrian suspect they say hoped to kill as many people as possible outside the stadium. The teen, who is seen with machetes in hand wearing an ISIS flag, has allegedly confessed to planning a suicide attack, according to authorities. They say the terror cell wanted to create a bloodbath, copying ISIS attacks like those at concerts in Moscow, Paris, and Manchester. Police say they found knives, timers, and explosives inside the suspect's home. And a suspected accomplice, 17-year-old Austrian, was arrested at the stadium where he had just taken a job. A 15-year-old Turkish citizen was also questioned.
For the first time, Japan has issued a warning for a long-feared megaquake striking in the near future. The country's meteorological agency says the probability of a large earthquake is higher than usual, but not imminent. It's urging residents to be on alert over the next few days. A 7.1 magnitude earthquake struck the southern islands of Kyushu and Shikoku hours before the alert was issued. The epicenter was recorded at the edge of the Nankai Trough. Earthquakes in the area occur every 90 to 200 years. The last was in 1946.
More protests in the Kenyan capital as businesses in Nairobi remain closed and demonstrators clashed with the police on Thursday. Building on the concessions they won in weeks of demonstrations, people are calling on President William Ruto to resign. Following the recent protests, he fired his entire cabinet and included opposition members in what he called a broad-based government. But it appears that, for some, this was not enough.